What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you a simple step-by-step method on how to draw Bulbasaur from Pokemon. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the right eye. So we're going to start over on the left, we're going to draw the top edge of the eyelid. We're going to go up and then bend that across towards the right. Let's go back down to the bottom. We're just going to round out the eye, coming down and then up. Let's close out the side of the eye. So from the top we're going to step in, bend this out and then down. Let's move back and draw the left edge of the iris. Start from the very top, curve this around, and then back in. And then in the center, we're going to draw an oval for the pupil. Now I want to line up this point all the way over on the left side and draw the left eye. I'm going to start with the top of the eyelid, bend this up, and then out. Let's go back to the bottom, curve the bottom of the eye, coming down, and then up. Now just like we did on the right side, I just want to add a fold along the top. So we're going to step down, this out, and then down towards the bottom. And then we'll draw the edge of the iris from the top, curving this around and in. And then we'll tuck the pupil in underneath the eyelid with that oval, coming down and then back up. Now we're going to be turning the head slightly over towards the left side, so the nostrils will be over on the left side of the head. So right here, draw a short line coming down, move over and draw one coming in from the right side. Now from here we're going to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. From the bottom corner of the eye we're going to step down and out, bend the mouth coming down and in towards the middle, come down and in towards a point, and back up towards the right. And curve the mouth going across and then up. Let's open up the mouth. Starting back over on the left side, we're going to step in, curve this down, round out the mouth, go across and then up on the right. On the left side, we're going to draw the edge of the tongue with a curve going in. And we'll add two small teeth along the top with a V. Now on the left side, we draw the profile edge of the head. From the bottom corner of the eye, let's step out. It's going to curve around the eye. And then just bend that in to right about there. Let's work our way around the cheek. Bend this out and then down. Just round out the cheek. Come down towards the bottom of the chin. Go across, and I'm just going to bend that up. Now let's leave a gap on the top left side. Continue the curve of the head. We're going to go up, across, and then down. Let's layer the ear on top of the head, stepping down, that's up and then out, come down and then in towards the side of the head. Now I want to go back and draw the left ear. Just going to add a fold, going up and then out towards the top, come around the side and then in. Let's close off the side of the head. We're going to step up from the side of the ear, go around and then down. Now from here we're going to move down and draw the front right arm. Let's start underneath the chin. Just going to bend the arm going out and then down towards the bottom. Let's add three curves along the bottom of the toes, going up and then down. I'll add two more. Let's bend the back of the arm, going across and then up. Now over on the left side, just underneath the head, we're going to leave a gap, curve the body, coming down and then across in behind the front arm. Now let's close off the toes. From these 2 points, we're going to come down and bend that in towards the tip of the claw and then back up. Let's do that again 2 more times. Let's do the same thing on the left side in behind the head and body. So we're going to start up here, bend the arm going around and then down to right about there. Let's add those three curves for the toes. And I'll bend the inside of the arm going in and then up behind the body. Let's add those claws. From these 2 points, bend that down towards the tip. And then we're going to go back to the side of the head and draw the back. Let's start from here, bend this down, go out, round out the back, and then bend that in. Let's come all the way down towards the claws, to right about there. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to add three curves to the toes. And then bend the leg, coming in and then up. Let's continue to curve the leg going up and then out. Again, we're going to add those claws along the bottom. And we're also going to see the hind leg in between the front legs. So let's start up here, bend this down and in. And we're just going to add 2 claws, going up and then in. Let's add those claws. Now let's add that large bulb on top of the back. We're going to start from the base of the ear. Start by bending this up and out. And curl that up towards the end. I'm going to add a series of points coming down at an angle. So let's add 4 points going up. Come down and out, round out the bulb, and then bend that back in towards the back. Let's add 2 more layers along the side. Start from the top, we're going to step down, go up, then it's down, go out, and then in behind the ear. Let's do the same thing on the right, going up towards a point, and come down, go all the way around the outside, and then bend that in. Now let's go back in and add some more detail. We're going to start with a fold on top of the right eye, going up and then across. Let's add that large spot. We're going to start with a curve, going across the top, come down toward the point, go up, and close off the right side. Let's add a small triangle shape on the left, and then one across the bottom. Let's add some spots on the left leg. We're going to go up from the side, come down and then back out, and that small triangle. Let's add some across here. Start with the top, going across, and then down, close off the bottom, and again just adding a small triangle. Let's add those spots across the back, going in and then down, go across and then back up towards the top. Let's add a small square spot. I'm going to add 2 more spots along the hind leg. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Bulbasaur from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.